well, striker metals here. Next part of installing the drive shafts. Just managed to get that really difficult one in place. Well, sort of, as you can see there. And I'm about to do the front section after I've grinded that down with files. Quite a bit of metal dust there. Try and force that in there. Yep. Right, let's run the thing, make sure all the drive shafts and the coupling works nicely, and then I'll give it a little drive around by here, make sure everything's okay. These will increase the durability, obviously, of the whole section. They can snap. Lights. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, very nice. Some wobble here. That's because there's no weight. Very nice. 2 speeds, as you can see. Well, nothing has come loose. Always a good sign. Okay, that come off. My NOS tank, I'll have to go back on. Just some decoration, really. Nothing major. It's threaded underneath though, so you couldn't see the tubage. Get that. Let's that. There we go. And there. That'll do. Nice trucks, these Q64 trucks. They're on. Yeah, the lights are on. Give a quick move. Seems to be sort of low on power on that mode. Let's try the next speed. Yeah, that's a bit better. Battery probably needs a charge. And again, some stoppage there. Yeah, hear that? Something is jamming. This here on the way round. On the inside, it's a bit tight on this section. No problem. That's why these drive shafts are adjustable. Grass. Oh, much better. Much. It's running low on battery though, I can hear it running down. Have to give that a charge. Nice. Still stuck on the reverse though. Needs more power. Back section comes off. that's running low on battery pretty much. And that's why I want to upgrade the entire electronics bay. I have all the parts. See the electronics in there? We'll be replacing that, the speed control, so I can better control this motor, and add some lithium batteries to this. Get it some extreme power and speed going. Supposedly 8 kilometers an hour with this crappy battery inside here at the moment, which is one of those old types. I'll show you now. It's like an old nickel based battery. They're pretty not good. Better off with the lithium any day. These things from the 90s, they don't really work for models. And there is more than enough space in there for a chunky lithium battery. I bought my others, which I'll go and get one now. Show you. This is a fully modified one, mind you. There's literally not much. There was the same. There you go. Post-apocalyptic Armageddon truck. Metal rims, anodized, metal bumper. Completely custom paint job. Painted on the inside also. If you can see. This also has a NOS tank, although it has an aerial because it's long range. Some cargo, gold rim. Same underneath, the electronics bay is completely stripped out in this and being replaced. Same drive shaft upgrade. Different gearbox there though, different motors. Bumper has also been replaced, as well as the crossbar in the middle with some red anodized aluminium. Completely custom this one, as you can see. And I'll be painting the other one, the Q64, in a similar fashion. Sort of apocalyptic Mad Max type look, much like that. So, see you when I upgrade the electronics in this thing next. Last little look at that for you.